got a glitch. Remember, guys, we did had a glitch on the Milwaukee pack out. Well, now we have a glitch on this one. I'll let you guys know how it works. Big shout out to Larry. He's actually messaging me right now. Big shout out to Larry for letting us know about this deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. All right, so here's the deal. So basically, this is the 20 volt max cordless 3-tool combo kit. This is the kit with the 2 flex bolt, 6 amp hour batteries and charger. Now this one does come with those. It is the 3 tools, the XR's top of the line, $399. This one does qualify on the Black Friday deals for the buy one get one free as well, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're gonna select the 3 impact wrenches. All right. So you're gonna select not the 3 impact wrench. You're gonna select the impact wrench for free, right? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to my cart, right? All right, so we got the impact wrench right here, guys. So I selected 3 of the impact wrenches. I'm just gonna give you the whole list right now so you guys could jump on it SAP and get this deal, hack it, whatever you want to do, guys. And this is the starter kit. So you do have to put in 2 starter kits. These are the $199 starter kits at $104, which is a killer deal. Definitely keep it if you can, because yeah, it's a really good deal for 2 batteries. So $100 for 2 batteries, crazy deal. So anyways, add 2 of these for the buy one get one free, of course. And I'll leave you guys all those links down below in the description section of the video. Once you see the price, check this out, guys. This is the kit right here. Drum roll, $210, guys. $210 for this deal. It's a crazy deal, guys. Yeah. So $210 for 2 flexible batteries, a hammer drill, impact driver, oscillating tool. Go get them, guys. But before you go, don't run yet. If the impact wrenches run out, there's actually a better deal that Larry was telling me too. Instead of the impact wrenches, get the routers. So choose the routers. I'm gonna go ahead and put the router in, so you guys will see the price on the router. I think it's a little bit. He's the one that thought about the router, or let me know about the router. So we're selecting the router instead. All right, so excuse that. It does have to be in the store, available in the store near you for this deal to work, because they do not have any for delivery. So on the router, here's the router. So what you're gonna do is add a couple routers. Let me add one more, just to make sure we get that deal. All right, so we got the routers, right? $205, guys. Guys, so if the routers run out, get the impact wrenches. If the impact wrenches run out, get the routers. Guys, it's up to you if you want to keep these tools. You can turn them in or, return them. But I suggest you guys use this. Be wise. Don't do it all the time. If you want to do this once, it's fine. But don't abuse it, because I heard horror stories about people, getting their accounts canceled. If you do it once, you should be fine. But if you keep doing it, like if you do it 5 times, obviously buy 5 of these kits and 15 routers, they're gonna know something's wrong. So yeah, guys, I'll leave you guys those links down below in the description section of this video. Big shout out to Larry for letting us know about this deal, and stay tuned for more Black Friday deals, price glitches, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.